I want to ask you about is when it comes to MS Dhoni is the impact that he's had on the city of Ranchi and the state of Jharkhand. How much, if probably, again, this is something which is very difficult to answer, but still, I'd like to get some words from you on the impact that he's had on that city, and probably not only that state, but that region of, you could say that northeastern or that whole belt of Jharkhand,
Hmm.
Chhattisgarh, Bihar, etc. What's been his impact? Because I'm sure you would have covered those areas as well in terms of when you were writing that book.
Yeah, no, absolutely. I think his friend Seemant Lohani, or Chittu as he's called,
Chittu
summed
bhaiya.
it up. He said, "Ranchi पागल खाने के लिए माना जाता था, अभी धोनी के लिए माना जाता है." Like, and he said that. I put it in the book. And very recently, I met. I'd gone for a friend's wedding in Sydney, and his fiance's father originally comes from Ranchi, and so he was very happy to see me. I didn't know him at all before that, because I was introduced as the guy who wrote on Dhoni, and more importantly, who went to Ranchi to work on that book. So I told him this line, and he said, absolutely right. Like, it was known for that, the Pagal Khana. It was an industrial town. It was known for whatever, the steelworks or whatever, that belt, not just Ranchi. And I didn't know how big he was in Ranchi, what he meant to Ranchi, till I went there. I read pieces, like, people who had covered cricket in Ranchi. I'd never been to Ranchi before I worked on the book. The way it happened was, I mean, to cut this long story short, I told him I'm writing this book, and he said, cool. And I said, can you please give me access to, I know you're not going to talk to me, at least someone who will talk. Like, he said, like, yeah, I can count on my fingers people who really know me well. And like, and then eventually one of them, Chittu, got in touch with me. I flew to Ranchi. He'd like booked a hotel room for me and all that. Um, and I realized within the first half an hour of being there that just because I'm being introduced as someone who's writing on Dhoni, they treated me as some celebrity. Like, I was being picked up in fancy cars and taken here and there. Every time I went, like wherever I went, like to the stadium, for example, like they already had like a setup for me in a way. Like, they had already, like, chai was arranged, and like I was, as a, one thing cricket journalists will tell you, like we have more experiences of being chased away from hotel lobbies than being invited into one or welcomed into one anyway. So, or being chased away from places, forget about hotel lobbies. So, to be welcomed like that, and being like, I remember one guy telling me, आप हमारे माही पे लिख रहे हैं किताब, तो आप भी सुस्टार बनोगे, like जिसका भी हाथ, just like, and that's when I was convinced to call it the Dhoni touch. He said that one of them said, वो उसका हाथ जिस पे भी लगता है वो whatever, like, my Hindi is not the best, but uska pura chamak jata hai life, or something like that. So I was like, wow, this guy is big, like, bigger than just the son of the soil and all that. Like, this guy really represents this city. And you can see, like, the city's got so much more attention since I liked Ranchi. Like, it had that very uh, like, very homely feel to it, in like almost a throwback to the times. Maybe like it felt like a throwback to the 90s for me when I went there in 2017. Just the way it was. But he's really put that city on the map in many ways. You land on the airport, and you immediately know, though the airport is not named after him yet, but you just know that you're in Dhoni city, not that you're in Ranchi. And every one there has a story. I can relate it with Adelaide, for example. Like, everyone here, even though Bradman's not originally from here, he moved here in the 1930s, and he lived actually down the road. Like, where I'm pointing, it's just like a 7-minute walk from where I live. So he lived in that house and died in that house in 2001. So if you speak to people in Adelaide or in some parts of Sydney, everybody has a Bradman story. It was like that with Dhoni. Wherever you went, they were like, यहाँ पे चाय पीता था, वहाँ पे पाव खाता था, यहाँ पे ये करता था, वहाँ पे, like, like, it's like a Dhoni tourist site, like, and everything is a tourist site. So I don't know if someone does it already. Someone in Jharkhand, if they're listening to this, should start the Dhoni tours. Like, you can easily do it. It can be like a whole day thing. There are just so many places there. So I think he's not just put Ranchi on the map, but he's made it much more relevant than it ever was in its history.
Makes sense. I think that also, sort of in a way keeps telling us and, affirming us of the idea that sport does play a huge part in terms of shaping society, whether it may do directly, indirectly, or through, some kind of stands or statements that, sports persons do, but it does. I think it's quite unfair to ever say that sport is not related to society, or it should always be separate, because you just can't do it. Like you said earlier, it even though the people who might play it become superstars, at the end of the day they are still humans. They still have their own stories, and that is how it affects people. uh One last thing, and
And, and just before on that, like, I think the one thing Dhoni has done, which has given Ranchi even more credence as a place, I think, the fact that what happens to most celebrities in India when they don't come from the bigger cities, they all move to the bigger cities, right? To either move to Bombay or to Delhi or to Chennai or these big cities. The fact that he's chosen to stick to Ranchi, he's built a much bigger house than the one that he grew up in and the one that he used to live in. But the fact that he still calls Ranchi home just tells you that if MS Dhoni can think that after all the success, all the fame, that he still thinks Ranchi should be my home and my only home, my real home. It almost tells you everything you need to know about that city.